I'm a bit of a nature boy, and today I'm digging up these plants.
Which plants are these?
Okay, there's this one, there's that one, and that one.
And your motive is to make this a garden.
These are the nature girl. And she also wants to help out with the garden.
Ibrahim, I told you how to do that.
Yeah, so this is like this, and then
Hold it from his neck, like the main branch. Okay, I'll show you. To have it from the corner. Be gentle. And then
I'm too itchless.
and put your finger here. See? This
No,
one.
Good.
Oh!
See? And then take this clean turkey.
Who's
This right
itchless?
here. Like all this stuff. And now you do it with your hand, Mama. Ibrahim. You too, Khatija.
So you have to do this. You have to, yeah.
You know the name of these plants?
Oriental lily.
Oriental lily? Okay. Tap it properly. Hold it from this little holes. Now put your fingers here. And इसको उल्टा करो. उल्टा करो. Yeah, good job. Oops, sorry. Oh my god. Okay, tell me what you did. Did you make this hole?
Yeah, I also dig the dolphin.
Does this have a smell? Kind of.
Not this one, but the other two. Those ones too had them.
Why you are sad?
Broke.
Huh? One branch is broken. It's fine. Inshallah. Oh, this one. Bring that broken one. वो ले क्या? टूट गया इसका?
Thanks for
Oh,
watching.
no worries.